This is the reason crypto traders don't grow their accounts. Now look at this. Some years back, I spoke with a trader who has been trading for about 4 years, and he told me he never risks more than 5% per trade. Then he went ahead to show me his strategy and how he implements it. And looking at it, it clearly showed that he was actually risking 23%, thinking he was risking 5%. Now, let me show you what I mean so it makes sense to you. So this is the first trade he demonstrated with. It's a long sign USDT trade. This is the entry, stop loss, and take profit, and even leverage of 5x. Now, if you know how I trade, I won't take this setup. But the strategy is different. He actively looked for coins that recently pumped hard, retraced, and about to pump the second time, which is somewhat brilliant from what he showed me and how they perform, which was okay. But the problem was how he placed the trade. So with a capital of $1,000, which is what he was using, and risking $5, which is $50, I'm going to place his trade on BitGet now, just the way he showed how to place it. So this is BitGet. I'm in the trade section and under futures. First, let's look for the coin, which is sign USDT futures. Okay. Now it was cross and it was using 5x, which is correct. And his entry price. Now, where he says value, he was using order by cost. Okay, and cost here he entered the $50. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If I click on take profit and stop loss and I enter the stop loss here, stop loss is 0.00666. You will see here that if I go long and my stop loss is hit, what I will actually lose is $229, not $50. The danger here is that if I take 4 of these trades and they go to stop loss, my account is gone. And this is just the reason why he has not been able to grow his account, because his wins are small and his losses are huge. And more dangerously, he still thinks he's risking 5% and can't explain why his account is down by $229. As a matter of fact, the other trade he showed me was actually a 50% risk instead of a 2%. Now, this problem is actually very easy to fix. The solution is position size. When you place a trade on an exchange, there is no box where you type in what you want to risk. That box does not exist. What the exchange asks you for is position size. How much of the asset are you buying or selling? That is the only number it understands. So the box where you enter amount is not for your risk, it's for your position size. This will make sense in a few minutes. Your risk is what you are willing to lose if a trade goes against you and hits your stop loss. Your reward is what you will make if it goes your way and hits your take profit. The position size is what you actually enter the market with. To make sure that your risk and reward is carried over to your trade, you have to convert your risk to position size on every single trade. That is your job every single time you are taking a trade. Does this make sense? And you can convert your risk to position size by value, quantity, and cost. By cost is particularly useful if your trade setup is isolated margin. It also means you have to adjust your leverage for each trade. By value is easiest for me, and that is what I'm going to show you now. To calculate your position size, you only need 3 things: risk, entry, and stop loss. Now let's take the same trade, but this time calculated properly. Now the first thing you need is the FS crypto calculator. It is free to download on Android and iOS. Once you have it downloaded, make sure it is in the crypto section, not Forex, not Deriv, because we are doing crypto on an exchange. Our capital here is $1,000 and the risk is 5, which is $550. Entry for this trade is 0.0933 and stop loss is 0.066. You see here that the position size is $54. is 54. Now let's go to BitGet and place the same trade. So what we change here is this. You see where it says by cost here. I'm going to change it to, click on that USDT and change it to by value. Okay, then the same entry price is what I'm going to use. So here now I will enter 54. That is the position size. If I go back to stop loss, you will see here that if I go long, that's what I'm going to lose if this trade goes against me is $50.078, which is approximately $50. So this is how you do it. So as a trader, you need just three things to execute your trades successfully: your signal, which you can get through your analysis, the first calculator for your position sizing, and your exchange where you place the trade. Now, what we did with CopyMe is that as a trader, you don't even need the calculator. Once you connect your accounts to CopyMe, you simply choose your risk amount, your entry, and your take profit. So in CopyMe, all you have to do is to choose that particular coin. Here, I'm going to search for it. Right now, I have connected my account. Then my risk, I'm choosing $50. Okay. Now, all I have to do now is to enter my entry price, take profit price, and stop loss price. You can see here that it automatically calculates my position size above 53.84, which is approximately 54. Okay, and all I have to just do is enter either long or short position, and that trade will automatically be placed in my trading account. CopyMe allows anyone to copy vetted professional traders automatically. You simply connect your account, choose your risk, and select the trader. As they trade, CopyMe automatically calculates their position size for the specific risk amount that is chosen and places that trade in your trading account. CopyMe is currently in the beta testing stage, so use the link in the description to join the waitlist or to get the app if it's launched when you're watching this video.